Okay, welcome to my new video, and today I will show you TaskFlow version 6. Well, it says version 7 because I'm working on it right now, but version 6 just came out, so let's see what we actually have here. So, as you see, in all versions I now have old scripts and stuff where everything I used before is in. You know, I only had the TaskFlow script and it was a bit messy, so I started over again, implemented most of the things and improved many things over like 1 week now. Every day I worked on it like almost 5 hours a day. So now we have TaskFlow app and TaskFlow hub, TaskFlow model and TaskFlow widget. Everything is Python. Then we have the specs, we have the .iss and we have the build.python, you know. And the build is and the ISS is basically the same thing as before. So what we will have to actually edit is the file locations. So build and ISS, they have to like know where everything is, and we have to implement that they combine everything into one setup file. So let's start TaskFlow app because this script starts everything. And here we are. Ready for a fresh start. Let's plan today lightly. It's not a good widget, I know, but I will fix it. So, how many tasks do you realistically want to focus on today? I don't know. Yeah, it works. Okay. No. Yeah. Again, I always have this bug where the second arrow does not work. So, I want to do 3 tasks. Let's go. So, TaskFlow. There we are. We have a little widget, and as you can see, the widget is really small compared to what we had before. Like what we had before was we had like this big huge junk widget. I don't know, it was messy and all. Now we just have that small thing, and you know, you can add a quick task, I guess. Yeah, it's the task. So you can edit and you can complete it, and then you have 1 of 1 done. And if you complete a task, it's gone. You can't see it. You might think it's a bug, but no. If we like open the hub, you know, you can open the hub from here. It should work. Yeah. And you can open the today section here, and you see there, if we check it and uncheck it, they are synced together. It was a big problem. Like if you spammed it, there was a problem that it got duplicated or it was bugged and they were out of sync. I fixed that, and now we have it. Yeah, it says TaskFlow 7.0 up here now. Yeah, we have a new workflow. So the tasks hub is basically, yeah, it does not collapse right now. The widget is not ready. The TaskFlow hub is actually where you plan everything. So basically, you go in here, you have, you start with day at a glance. You have 0 of 1 task done. So if I do it, it updates. No task for today. You can keep it light. If I go here and do that, it should change. You see, now it says I have a task. Gentle suggestions. We have like multiple things where it says you got this, or even 1 habit is enough to count today. I will show you what that means soon. So, gentle suggestion. Oh my god, what a hard word. Pick 1 tiny task in today, right here, and start with that. You don't need to do them all. So basically it motivates you to just start, and if you go on the flow, you probably will do everything. Then we have today, we have this week where we can plan what we want to do the whole week, and you see we have stuff down here. No tasks for the week, and this is for things you'd like to get to sometimes this week without the pressure of today. Yeah. So as before, you can right click like tasks, and probably like anyway, as you can see, you can right click where it matters, you know, you can mark all done and stuff up there, and you have rename, mark as important, then it gets like this, and you can move it to tomorrow, then it will change it overnight. So if you go, we don't have a tomorrow section, I will add it, but if you like think, oh yeah, I definitely don't get this today, then move it to tomorrow, or this week, or someday, or whatnot. Yeah, you can assign it to a project, but we have no project, that's why it's great. Yeah, we have this, and we have someday. Someday is basically you add something and it's just in here, it won't change. Like this week it will change. I will implement that you can plan when to do stuff, and you will have a calendar and all sorts of stuff in here. Then we have projects. Projects are basically organizers, like drawers. You have your today task, which will show all tasks you planned for today, and then we have projects, which is basically the organizing section. Every task you have in here that you want to do today will also be in here, but with a little description which project it is, and I will add a project sorting system to here, so everything stays clean, but that is for future versions, for example like the 7.0. So what we have in here is a project. You can create a new project, name it whatever you want, and then you can add tasks. You see, send selected to today. So if I just make some tasks and select basically all of them, as you can see, you can select them. It looks yeah, quite good. Then you can select them and send them to today, and as you see, the widget updates like right away, immediately. So what we do now, we can boom, 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 you see, and it will do that, and it will do stuff. And you see 6 of 7 done, and yeah, now it's 7 of 7 done, and yeah, they move away. So you see it updates instantly, which I really, really like. And if we add something here, it gets added to the today section, as I showed you before, which is really, really nice. What we also can do is, currently it is up here, click clean completed tasks, so they are gone, and as you see, all clear for today, and then you see nothing planned for today and stuff. This is a bit bugged. Normally it should show that you made something today, even if you deleted it. Yeah, you can select the project and delete it, because I don't want to have this project. Yeah, there we have a bug. Okay, so stats. Stats is basically a summary of your day, your week, your month, your year, your century, I don't know, your lifetime. It will be more detailed soon. I will implement much, much more into the stats and overall health experience of the app. I really want to implement that. And also, as you can see, the whole app has like every check is a small win and stuff. It has this motivational quotes everywhere, and I will make this more like feel like a supportive app than just a normal task app, so you really get focused on something and you really feel motivated. Today check-in is a thing that you can, if it's the beginning of a day and you start working, you can say what your mood is, you know, and then you go on save mood and it says slow days happen, you've allowed to go slow and do tiny steps. Then we have okay. An okay day is still a real day. 1 or 2 gentle wins are enough. Then motivated. Nice, you're motivated. Let's use the energy without burning you out. Then we have stressed, which basically is, stress is heavy. You don't have to win the whole day, just make it softer. And great is enjoy the good days. You don't need to be perfect to deserve them. Like, it motivates you. And then you can add something here. But I don't know, it is not, and you see, no, it works. And it, yeah, it doesn't really do anything right now. It's really only because it's a concept, more of a concept, this page. You have today's habits, things you, I will update these so that you every day you will get something new that you can do. And if you don't want to do a task, a habit, you can right click it and skip it, and it will arrange them. And yeah, like you have you will have multiple things. I will also add presets, for example, for projects and stuff later. It will be really customizable, and also like you can plan everything in here. So we have habits where we can check it, and yeah, it's very great, you know, like you can check these, and if you go back to home it says you're in great mode, like what our mood is, and then 3 of 3 habits done. Even 1 habit is enough to count today. This I will update this later soon with a class I added already. It will update this. Yeah. Then we have settings, not quite as big as before, but we will have cloud sync in here later, and migrate to different devices and all of that. Wow, it's heavy raining outside right now. Damn. Really windy and raining. So then we have check updates. It does not work right now. I just didn't do it. And we have exit. The hub. Yeah, for the little widget, I already showed you what it is. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you really liked the progress so far. If not, if you want to suggest something, please put it down in the comments. I would love to read your suggestions and all of it, so I can improve this app and maybe make the best possible task app for everyone to use on their daily work. And yeah, so maybe you just want to participate in here, then write me a comment. If you want to help me on working with it, link to my GitHub repository is in the description. Everything is open source, and you can actually download every file and everything. I probably leaked my whole data there, but I don't care, because I don't care. Yeah, so we will take a quick look at the GitHub page, and then we'll finish up this video. So as you can see, the widget is still here and it does not collapse. So that's the what is it called, repository. What you see, I have put everything is on final 6.0, not that, because that's a hub and widget for 6.0, you know. And we have ISS icon fix because it has had a bug. So now I will upload a new version on here. As you can see, we have the latest version, which is the version 5.3, which has only the widget in it. So now I will create the new version. We have all these versions in here, from starting with the first release, which I worked on, then this and this and this and this, and then even like I think up to here I really loved the process. Was really great, and then it got a bit messy. Thanks for watching. Today's video was a bit longer, I think, I don't know. And what I noticed this video is I get much more comfortable speaking English, which is so great. I really like that I'm able to speak English that fast, actually, at that pace. Yeah, it's great. So I really practice it so I can do more English videos. Tomorrow I will, no, not tomorrow. Well, tomorrow I start filming, but you know, tomorrow I start filming a new project, a real life project actually. I will go to my local town and film something with my new camera and my action cam. So I take you with me actually, and if you want to see that, just subscribe, and I will probably upload it some time around next week. And it won't be good because it's my first audio video and I don't know what to do, so I will make photos and videos of people and city and whatnot. So yeah, I hope it doesn't rain. That would be really bad. If it's snowing, that would be cool, but let's see what the time brings. So, thanks for watching. I'm yapping way too much, and thank you for your support so far. Thanks for 10 subscribers. I will hope that we get a bigger community so we can share each other's ideas and help each other make the world a bit better and help each other like understand stuff that we don't know yet. So thanks for watching again after like 20 times of repeating it, and see you next video. Goodbye.